Dito ako ngayon sa Place Dieu. Kabababa ko lang ng bus 12. Hi guys, kakababa ko lang sa Place Dieu. Galing ako sa Place Bel Air. Yung sa Plan Palais, itong bus na sakyan ko. Bumaba ako dito kasi dito sa Place Dieu mayroon din dito nung Christmas. Hindi ako nakapunta. I didn't able to come here. So look at this. There is lots of spectacular restaurant, eating, drinking around here inside this place. Look. The University of Geneva is over there, that building far away. That one. And this is the restaurant. They're playing cheese. That's Christmas and able to come. That is the whole city. At that hills. The hills.
C'est un beau projet.
Later on, I will take also a bus going up to the Place Bel Air where the lake is and the I think I will take this bus. Can able to take it. Oh, it's too late. It's gone. The way. That is the hill. Beautiful. I will wait for the bus or tram to continue there in the lake. There's lots of Christmas decoration over on the river. So I cross the street or I will take the bus street. Now is 2:51 in the evening. Merci beaucoup.
Santé.
À combien? J'ai payé maintenant.
Pardon?
Combien? J'ai payé maintenant.
Vous voulez payer?
Yeah.
C'est 13 francs.
Ah?
C'est 13 francs.
Oh oui, après j'ai sorti, j'ai donné money maintenant. J'ai retourné encore. J'ai retourné.
Ça fait 13.
Ah.
Ça fait 13.
C'est pas fini. J'ai retourné. J'ai retourné.
Pardon?
J'ai sorti, j'ai retourné. Ok? I'm drinking a little bit here. I'm here in Plain Palais. That was the place where I took some spectacular